Okay, I don't know what this thing's problem is, but every single time I try to record a vlog, it always cancels. Like it says like this thing and it says reconnect and you click the reconnect button and it doesn't work and I have to do it all over again. It's really frustrating. Maybe from now on I shouldn't do it like directly recording from YouTube. I should go in like another program and record it with the other program and then upload it to YouTube. Whatever. Alright, for now I'm just gonna do this and hopefully it works this time. Okay, so I already gave like a 10-minute rant about this, but I'm just gonna redo it because I still feel pretty kind of ranty. Pretty kind of ranty. Okay, I feel pretty ranty right now. Alright, I have major issues. Two issues that I'm talking about today that are my issues, that are major, that are ruining me. Alright, the first one is jealousy. I have major jealousy issues because what I do is I have these dreams and I have these goals and these aspirations and I just want like I want them so bad that I become obsessed and like I feel totally ruined whenever I doubt that I can achieve them and it totally like tears me up and I'm just like no no um But yeah, that's like, it really sucks. So then what happens is when I see someone that has achieved these goals or aspirations or dreams, um, I feel I feel totally jealous of them, totally. And there's so many people that I feel like jealous of all the time, and it's really bad because I could really like the person, like really like them, but like kind of I have like this little part of me that despises them just for the fact that they have everything that I want, which is horrible. I know jealousy is like it's horrible. I I can't control it though. I mean, I can't. I try to, and I'm going to try to. But it's hard to not be jealous. It's just hard not to be, especially when you're like crazy like me and become obsessed over things. Because right now, like I'm nervous. I'm nervous about YouTube because YouTube right now is currently my dream. Like, and I've only started doing it, so I don't know how it's going to go. I don't know how it's going to go. But I'm just nervous that it's not going to work out. And I don't want to be that YouTuber in the corner that has 300 videos he made over the course of like 3 years and 10 views like on each video. It's like I don't want to be that person. I want to actually be part of a community and like interact with people, make friends that I can relate to, and meet other YouTubers and meet people that like to watch YouTube videos. So I'm not just like all alone because I can't handle loneliness. I'm not good with loneliness. And I like being alone like to think and stuff, but in general, I don't know. Do you get my vibes? My drift? Catch my drift? Okay. Second thing, I have attention problems. I seriously, 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 seriously think that I might have ADD or ADHD or whatever. I don't really know like the medical specific-y stuffs, but I I can't focus on stuff. I'm right before I was filming this, I was working my homework and I had a ton of work to do. And I was sitting, and I've been working on this all day, and I've been sitting in front of my computer and staring at my screen and trying to read these articles and write about them, and I can't do it. Like, I'm reading the article, but I'm not really reading the article because in the back of my mind I'm thinking about how I have to read it and how I'm running out of time. I have to go to bed tonight, and like I get super stressed over it, and I get so all this anxiety, but I can't think about the article. So I'm like, I have to think about it. I'm like, Jason, you don't have a choice. I'm just like willing myself, all this willpower. I'm like freaking grabbing hold of the table in front of me, just like read it, and I can't do it, and I get distracted. I'm just like, maybe if you just take a break, maybe you just take a break and do something else and come back and no, like there's a problem. I can't, and then I'm like, all right, I just start writing something, and I'm just like, it hurts. It like almost, it doesn't physically hurt. Like I don't feel the pain, but it almost like kind of does. Like you just like, I just can't do it. I just can't do it. I can't do it. I have an attention problem. I can't focus. I can't focus. And it sucks. Really bad. And like earlier today, I felt absolutely horrible because I was all depressed and all jealous and poop, and I really wanted to just be like, I wanted to just make content right now, like more than anything, and right now I feel like that right now. I just want to make content. I'm like, make YouTube, go for your dreams, Jason, chase your dreams. I'm just like, I want to do videos right now, but I can't because I have work to do, and I kind of feel like giving up for the night. I really do, because I feel like there's no way I can do this. Like, I'm gonna just have to pull something off. This really sucks. I'll pull something off. I'll hand something in tomorrow. It might be crap, but I'll hand something in. I'll tell my parents about what I think is going on with me. But that's all I really can do, because I could sit here all night and stare at the screen and nothing's going to happen. It will be a total waste of my time. I'll go into school tomorrow, feel miserable. Maybe I'll actually finish it, but it won't be worth anything. It wouldn't have been worth my time. Like, because I'll just, ugh, this sucks. Sucks. You're welcome for brightening your day. Alright, I'm going to tell a joke now to lighten the mood. Knock, knock. Who's there? Peace, suckers!